Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into building a recipe development workflow in Airtable. Let's get started. First off, create a new base in Airtable. Call it Recipe Development. This will serve as the foundation of our workflow. Now, why do we do this? Simply put, a base in Airtable is like a database where we can store and organize our data for easy access and reference. Next up, let's make tables for recipes, ingredients, and steps. These tables help us break down our recipe into manageable chunks. Each table represents a specific aspect of the recipe, making it easier to keep everything in one place and streamline the process. Now that we've done that, let's create fields in each table. For recipes, you might include fields like name, type, and prep time. In ingredients, consider fields like name, quantity, and calories. And for steps, include step number and instructions. The reason we do this is to structure our data in a way that's comprehensive and easy to understand. Moving forward, let's link these tables together. For example, in the recipes table, create a link to the ingredients table. This helps us because it creates relationships between our data, allowing us to see connections and dependencies more clearly. Once we've linked our tables, we can then create a view. This is essentially a way to visualize our data. We can filter, group, and sort our data to create different views. For instance, you can create a view showing only vegetarian recipes or another one showing recipes with prep time under 30 minutes. Let me explain why this matters. Views help you manipulate data without actually changing the underlying information, providing you with different perspectives to analyze your recipes. Lastly, don't forget to utilize Airtable's automation feature. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks, like sending an email when a new recipe is added. It's a time saver and helps maintain consistency in your workflow. And that's it. You've just built a recipe development workflow in Airtable. Remember, the key to a successful workflow is organization and simplicity. Keep experimenting with different table structures and views until you find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.